You're so beautiful. Oh, you are.
I'll have to switch off to you.
Oh, there we go. The mic's on now. What are you guys doing? Thank you all for coming out so early in Vegas. It's very early to go out in Vegas, isn't it?
Yeah! Go Emma! Yeah, Emma!
I really appreciate you guys all coming down. You know, this is the first time that we've actually performed these kind of songs in this format for a crowd of people, you know. We've done it on video before and we used to play acoustically a lot, but with these songs, it's the first, so you guys are the first. Thank you for coming out. Alright, yeah. We're going to start with a song that I wrote to my very best friend, Cosmic Gate, a little while ago. And I performed it here with them a lot, so you guys might know it. It's called Be the Sound.
Oh, shit.
Tonight, I know we gotta run away, leaving your fear. Looking for a good place. I can feel a storm here. The dream won't go away. So leave me tonight, dear, and then we'll run into the day. And through it all, I'm on your side now. I'm on your side now. Ooh. We'll build up fortunes to keep them out. When the world falls silent, I'll be your sound. And if you try to hurt you, I'll tear them down. I'm always with you now. The streets are familiar, and everyone is saying, and now I see you again, and now I'm never going back again. And through it all, I'm on your side now. I'm on your side now. Ooh. We'll build up fortunes to keep them out. And in a world of silence, I'll be your sound. And if you try to hurt you, I'll tear them down. I'm always with you. We'll build up fortunes to keep them out. And in a world of silence, I'll be your sound. And if they try to hurt you, I'll tear them down. I'm always with you now. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. You guys are too kind. This next song,